is moving his head slightly. Murag nagpainit man siguro na siya.
Ha?
Murag nagbuwad, pabuwad siya sa init na. So I guess kaning mga kuan nga yan yung pagkaon kaning mga isda. I think this fish here is food for the crocodile because they're inside the same cage or pond. May mga stripe sa kantin.
Ikaw lang nila
Tingnan mo isda, ano?
Water
Fish. Ipurma pa nila ang water lily o kanang hourglass. Awa. They shaped the water lilies. They trimmed it so it will be in the shape of an hourglass.
There. Crocodile.
Oh my God, that's a big one. Ah,
You
look
can
at that.
see the mouth is wide open.
Yeah, look at the mouth. Where is it? Trying to find it. Kind of hard to find it because it doesn't move. Oh, there. It's opening its mouth. So I guess it's waiting for some kind of animal just to walk right into inside its mouth, thinking that maybe it's some sort of a shelter, and then it just snaps its jaws. So far, this is the biggest one I've seen. This one here. That's, I would say, that's around 8 feet long.
Napay mga
This one's about 8 feet long, I'd say.
water lilies on top.
Oh, yeah, this one. This croc doesn't move a whole lot. That's why the water lily is just stuck and grew on its back. Those are water lilies. Bitaw no, kato ananas ha. Even its snout has got a water lily. You can even see the roots there. And look at those sharp teeth. Oh. This one I think is even bigger than the other one. Oh, look at that. So I would say this one, this one probably 9 feet long, 9 to 10 feet long.